Nancy? Just a little bit more. Okay. Oh, I'm glad to see I didn't have to twist your arm to take it.
She likes that spoon.
Yeah.
She also seems like she might be starting to teeth with the drooling and the chewing on things.
She like feeds herself. Yeah.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Such a big girl.
You love it? You love it? I love you, Susie.
She's such a big girl. Yum. Yummy. You ate a lot.
Like, why have you been keeping this food for me?
Oh, wait till she starts eating food.
That'll be fun when we give you your first vegetables and fruits. That'll be a real mess, won't it?
Peas. Green stuff. Barry had turkey and sweet potato.
Ooh, for
Her first
Thanksgiving.
meat. Her first
How
meat.
exciting.
But it comes mixed.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, are you wiping
Wipe
up? You're
yourself.
done?
Clean
Yeah.
yourself up.
Okie dokie.
Good girl.
She wants more.
She's reaching for it. Want some more? Really? Or you just want to play with it now?
You have to avoid her hand.
Yeah.
We're gonna handcuff you next time. Little baby handcuff.
It's so good. You feel like you're feeding yourself, sweetie? You kind of are.
Big girl.
What a big girl you are. Oh, you're getting mommy messy. Okay. Maybe this is the last one.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie, good girl. Yay!
Yay.
Good job! Yay! Yay!
The mustache. Got milk? Got milk?
Yay!
Got milk?
Good job!
Take the spoon out of her mouth. There, yeah.
Good job! Yay! Yeah!
What's the big deal? Somebody ate. Everybody eats.
That's like that now. Yeah, cutie pie.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. Yay! Say bye to the camera.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Wish you were here.